In this video, I'll show you how to use coins on Aliexpress. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so coins can be used to unlock discounts on products or to reduce the total cost of a purchase here in Aliexpress. So this can be advantageous for shoppers, to looking to save money because the coin system is tied up to user activity or to loyalties. Or it could reward regular spender here in AliExpress customers with discounts or special offers, encouraging repeat business. So how do we use your coins on AliExpress? First off, you gotta go to your profile account. All right here. So here, all you're gonna do is click on my coins right here. Okay, so if you have coins already, you can collect right here. This is our first coins right here, right? So I have like a 20 of them, and if you have, you can put it here on your savings. All right, and then now that you have like coins already in your wallet, all you gotta do is, say for example, we wanted to make our first purchase. All right, say for example we wanted this one, the Samsung case right here. Okay, so for example, we've added the item on our shopping cart. All we're gonna do is go to your cart, right here on checkout. In the checkout process, you can already use your coins right here, right? Somewhere here you can use your coins or enter here some promo codes if you have it. All right, and that's how you use coins on AliExpress. Thank you so much for watching.